Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of data science. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and friends who are always following my channel. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of data science. Data science is crucial in today's digital age for several reasons. Number one, decision making. It helps organizations make data-driven decisions by analyzing trends and patterns in data. Number two, predictive analysis. Enables prediction of future trends and behaviors, empowering proactive strategies. Number three, efficiency. Optimizes processes and operations, leading to improved efficiency and cost savings. Number four, innovation. Drives innovation by uncovering insights and opportunities that may not be apparent without data analysis. That's number four. Number five, competitive advantage. Provides a competitive edge by extracting valuable insights from data that competitors may overlook. Number six, personalization. Enables personalized customer experiences and targeted marketing strategies. Number seven, risk management. Helps in identifying and mitigating risks through advanced analytics. Number eight, scientific research. Facilitates scientific discoveries and advancements by analyzing large data sets. Number nine, automation. Enables automation of tasks and processes based on data-driven algorithms. Overall, data science transforms raw data into valuable insights, driving better decision-making, innovation, and efficiency across various industries. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report, why it is very important to study data science. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.